Are you looking to make online shopping easier and more flexible in the UK? Today, we will walk you through the simple steps to apply for PayPal credit card in 2025. This innovative service allows you to enjoy the benefits of credit without needing a physical card. Let's dive in. What is a PayPal credit? PayPal credit is a digital credit line linked to your PayPal account, allowing you to make purchases online. The best part, if you spend £99 or more, you can enjoy 0% interest for 4 months on your purchases. This makes it an attractive option for larger buyers. Before applying, ensure you meet the following criteria. You must be a UK resident aged 18 or older, have a PayPal account, spend a minimum of £99 in a single transaction, maintain a good credit history, and have not been recently declared bankrupt. Be employed with an income of at least pound 10,000 per year. How to apply for PayPal credit? Well, log into your PayPal account, navigate to the PayPal credit application page, fill out the short application form, wait for approval. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once approved, your credit limit will be linked directly to your PayPal account, ready for use. When you're ready to shop, select your items and proceed to checkout. Choose PayPal as your payment method. Opt for PayPal credit at checkout. If it is your first time using it, complete any required forms. Remember, to maintain the 0% interest offer, keep up with your monthly repayments and stay within your credit limits. Applying for PayPal credit is straightforward and can enhance your online shopping experience by providing flexibility and convenience with 0% interest on purchases over £99. It's an excellent option for managing larger expenses. So why wait? Head to your PayPal account today and take advantage of this fantastic service. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy shopping!